Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners, Lesson 1, Course 1. I'm your Italian teacher Claudia, and I'm really looking forward to starting this journey with you. So, without further hesitation, let's get started. Today's lesson is all about greetings, saluti in Italian. Saluti. Perfect. Because greetings are very important and they're probably the very first thing you're going to use when speaking in Italian. Okay, so the first greeting we're going to learn together is hello. Hello in Italian is ciao. You've probably heard this word before. Ciao. Perfect. And then, how to introduce yourself. In Italian, as in English, there are two ways to introduce yourself. The first one, and the most common one in Italian, is with the use of the verb to be, as in English. For example, I am Claudia. Sono Claudia. Sono Claudia. Perfect. So, sono corresponds to am. And as you might notice, in Italian, we don't use subjects that much. You could have said, io sono Claudia, so I am Claudia, but the subject pronoun I is not really needed, so we don't use it, okay? The second way to introduce yourself is, my name is Claudia, and that in Italian is, mi chiamo Claudia. Repeat right after me, please. Mi chiamo Claudia. And that literally means I call myself Claudia. So my name is Claudia. Okay? Great. Then, if you want to ask the other person the same question, you can say, what is your name? And that in Italian is come ti chiami? Come ti chiami? Perfect. And that literally means how do you call yourself? So what is your name? Okay? Great. Perfect. And then, after introducing to one another, you are going to say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you in Italian is piacere di conoscerti. That's long, I know. Piacere di conoscerti. Perfect. Or you can just say piacere. It's the same. Perfect. So let's do our first exercise. During our lessons, we're going to do a lot of exercises, and this is the first one of them. So we have a mini dialogue, and the sentences you see are the ones that I'm going to read. So what you have to do is to reply to those sentences. So I will start reading them, and I will leave you a few seconds to reply. If you need more time, just pause the video, take your time, and then start again. Okay? Let's do it. Ciao! Come ti chiami? Mi chiamo Claudia. Piacere. Great. How did you do? Did your sentences look like these ones? If yes, great job. If not, don't worry about it. I mean, you can try this exercise one more time. Okay? There is no rush. So let's move on with other greetings. The first one is good morning. Buongiorno. Buongiorno. Perfect. Then we have the afternoon. Good afternoon is buon pomeriggio. Buon pomeriggio. Perfect. Good evening is buonasera. Buonasera. Perfect. And finally, good night is buonanotte. Buonanotte. Great. Awesome. Okay, then how about you want to ask someone, how are you? So in Italian, there are two ways to ask this question. The first one is come stai? Come stai? And that literally means how do you stay? Yes, we use the verb to stay instead of the verb to be. I know it might sound weird, but that's how it is. Come stai? Perfect. The second option is come va? Come va? And that literally means how is it going? Okay? Perfect. And you can use both. So you have two questions, and you have two answers as well. The first way to say, for example, I am well is sto bene. Sto bene. And that literally means I stay well, because as you remember, we said that we use the verb to stay. Or if you want to answer to both come stai or come va, you can also say tutto bene or va tutto bene. Tutto bene, va tutto bene. It is going well, okay? And if you want to say I am very well, what you have to do is just to add molto. Sto molto bene, for example. Va tutto molto bene. Okay? Perfect. Then, if you want to ask and you, so to know how is the other person, once again, you have two options. The first one is e tu? E tu? And the second one is e lei? E lei? So both these questions mean and you. But what is the difference then? In Italian, actually, there is a very important difference. So tu corresponds to the subject pronoun you, while lei corresponds to the subject pronoun she. Okay? So, and in Italian, we use she when talking, for example, to someone that we don't know, someone that we respect, someone that is older than us, or someone that is in a higher position than us. So, for example, if you're talking to your friends, you're going to use the subject pronoun tu. If you're talking, for example, to one of your professors, you're going to use the subject pronoun she. Okay? Is it clear? Perfect. So let's do another mini dialogue. The structure is still the same. So the sentences you see are the ones that I'm going to read, and we'll make a few pauses to leave you enough time to reply. Okay? Ready? Let's do it. Ciao, buonasera. Come stai? Sto molto bene, grazie. So, how did you do? Did your sentences look like these ones? If yes, great job. If not, try this exercise one more time. Learning languages is all about practice. Okay? Perfect. So let's move on. How to say goodbye in Italian? Once again, there are two options. The first one is the one that we have already seen. Ciao. So you can use ciao as hello and goodbye. And the other option is arrivederci. Arrivederci. What is the difference then? Ciao is a little bit more friendly, while arrivederci is a little bit more formal. For example, if you're leaving your group of friends to go back home, you're going to say ciao. If you're leaving a restaurant, you're going to say arrivederci. Is it clear? Perfect. Then, see you later is a dopo. A dopo. Perfect. And see you soon is a presto. A presto. Perfect. Very good. So one last exercise. Once again, I will start reading the sentences and you will have to reply. Okay? Let's do it. Ciao. Mi chiamo Claudia. Piacere di conoscerti. Sto molto bene. E tu? A presto. How did you do? Did your sentences look like these ones? If yes, great job. If you made some mistakes, there is no problem. Just try to complete this mini dialogue one more time. Okay? Very good. So before ending our first lesson, let's review all the vocabulary we have learned. As usual, please repeat right after me. Ciao. Sono Claudia, mi chiamo Claudia. Come ti chiami? Piacere di conoscerti. Buongiorno. Buon pomeriggio. Buonasera. Buonanotte. Come stai? Come va? Sto molto bene, va tutto bene. E tu? E lei? Arrivederci. A dopo. A presto. Perfect. Great. So we have just finished our first Italian lesson and I'm really proud of your progress. So complimenti, congratulations. I'm really looking forward to seeing you here again for our second lesson together. Have a great day and thank you for being with me. Ciao.